Fresh flowers are temporary, but building the arrangement can be part of the gift. The Lego Flower Bouquet set turns 15 stems into an adult display project with adjustable shapes and colors. This video contains affiliate links, and I may earn a commission from qualifying purchases. The supplied listing identifies 756 pieces in flower varieties including roses, snapdragons, poppies, asters, daisies, and grasses. Most petals and leaves can be repositioned, and the stems can be separated and recombined. That makes it possible to change the height and shape for different vases, rather than following one permanent layout. The tallest listed stem, the snapdragon, measures more than 14 inches. No vase is included, so the finished arrangement depends on a container you already own, or buy separately. Because every flower is built from Lego elements, the finished bouquet does not require water, and can be rearranged later without replacing the whole display. The limitation is the build style. Repetitive flower sections may not appeal to everyone, small pieces require patience, and the model is decorative rather than a playset for rough handling. Overall, the flower bouquet is best for adult Lego fans, creative gift-giving, and people who enjoy customizable decor. Someone wanting a quick ready-made centerpiece may prefer artificial or fresh flowers.